Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be fixing a beater ironworker style. First off, you got to deal with these handles. They're huge. You don't want to be swinging a beater this long. It's all bad. Rule of thumb is you grab right where the head is, and you go to your elbow, and then give yourself a couple more inches. So I'm gonna cut this one about right here. That feels good. One more. Same thing, do the elbow. A little bit more. Boom. The heavier the beater, the longer the handle. It gives you more leverage on it. Second, you want to put friction tape on this thing. You don't want to use a beater with no friction tape, because then you'll fly out of your hand and then hit your boss, and then you'll be fired. Or kill him. How you friction tape a beater is you can use friction tape, but I like to use like electrical tape because friction tape is usually scarce on a job site. So I take electrical tape or duct tape, I run it out like this, and then I twist it. I twisted a whole crap load. So that adds a little texture to it, and then you take your friction tape and you start from bottom to top, and you just do it really thick. Number one. Bada bing, bada boom. This next one I'm going to use duct tape so the friction's a little thicker. Like I said, you start at the bottom and then work your way up, and then you want to end at the bottom so it doesn't unravel from the top down. So there you have it. Nothing crazy. Don't take a million hours. Just fast and simple. Y'all work safe.